Cruise by Mandy here in Rudesheim. It's a little after 2:20 in the afternoon today, October the 30th. AmaSerena. Oh, I cannot speak highly enough about AmaWaterways, and everything's impeccable. We are docked here in Rudesheim. Not going to do the vineyard hike today because I did the bike tour yesterday. Not going to do the bike tour today either. I got priorities today. What is Rudesheim known for? Wine. Rieslings. I'm a red girl, but I am going to drink Rieslings today. I'm going to learn about Rieslings. And that's what this region of Germany is known for. You'd be very hard pressed to find a beer pub of any sorts around here. So that's what will be going on today. Just a quick glance here. Talked about the AmaWaterways and other water riverboats as well. So you see the 3 decks. That's pretty typical. With the lowest deck, deck 1, being the windows only down at the bottom. Spent a lot of time out up top. There's the bikes. Some people didn't show up for the bike tour, I guess. But anyway, how are we getting to the wine tour? The choo-choo. And we have 2 tours today. The first one is the afternoon excursion, where we are going. Where are we going? We're going to the vineyards for the wine tasting. And then the come back for dinner. We're having early dinner. And then we head over to clock making. I forget exactly what it's called, but I'll post about it later. But we can either walk 20 minutes to town or we take the free train. Every time we get off, we know what tour we're on, so we look and get the correct tour colored card. I'm on the yellow tour, and we'll be headed out to do this wine tasting tour. We are the only boat in port. We've passed several today. Everything's gorgeous here. It's 42 degrees, so Clarissa did tell us to make sure we dress warmly. Clarissa is our cruise manager, tells us what to do. We listen. She is phenomenal. Every person, every single crew member I've encountered today, this entire week, is phenomenal. The service is impeccable. The attention to detail is fantabulous. Everybody is friendly. And I'm a ponytail and no makeup kind of girl. And let me tell you, I don't feel out of place. I feel at home. Our stateroom is actually feels like a bedroom. Everything is so comfortable, so cozy. But anyway, this is what a fall foliage type river cruise along the Rhine can look like. Got all the leaves on the ground, the wind gently blowing. Don't wear my sea patch out here. We are going upriver, so we do have to use those engines in the back. Chef's table is in the back, massage area is in the back. You might feel a slight vibration in the back going upriver because you're having to use the engines a little more than downriver. And that's all okay. Looks like we should be going soon, so I will go get in and behave. Cruise by Mandy signing off in Rudesheim.